The anticipation is palpable. The Met Gala 2025 is about to begin. Whispers ripple through the crowd. Something big is about to happen. And then, she arrives. The flashbulbs explode, a symphony of clicks and whistles. Her outfit, breathtaking. A masterpiece of fashion, unlike anything we've ever seen. The crowd is speechless. Cameras capture every angle, every movement. The elegance, the confidence, the sheer star power. Social media explodes. This is more than just a fashion statement. It's a cultural moment. Lisa's entrance at the Met Gala 25, a night that will be talked about for years to come.